So hi friend, in today's topic we are discussing about that Gram-Schmidt orthogonalization procedure. Already I have told by theoretically what is the actual form of the Gram-Schmidt orthogonal procedure, but here we have to calculate one mathematical problem that is dependent upon that Gram-Schmidt orthogonalization procedure. Here actually suppose some bias is previously given as B. So here B equals to B1, B2, B3 up to Bn, they all be the orthogonal bias for a vector V, and B is given basis for a finite inner space product for V. So let alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha n up to are the orthogonal basis of the vector V, that is are to be calculated by the given B. Now the orthogonal basis is called as OB, and what is the form of getting this all these things? Actually here I did a little mistakes. That particular B1, what you can see, this B1 is not B1, rather it is alpha 1, and that is B2 is not B2, it is rather alpha 2, and that is B3 is not B3, rather it is alpha 3. Okay, so here B1, B2 and B3 is given. How? That B1 is given as 1 0 1, B2 is given as 1 0 minus 1, and B3 is given as 0 3 4. So actually 1 0 1, this is a declaration of this axis. So what is the equation? So actually Ax plus By plus Cz, in this form the first form is only x plus z, the second form is x plus minus z or x minus z, third form is 3y plus 4z. So in this way the actual points are given. So 3 basis is given. So finally how to calculate them? So here the first one is what? Alpha 1 if you want to calculate, then B1 which is already given to you, that B1 mod is not known to us. So what is B1 mod? So B1 mod square equals to B1 mod dot B1 mod. So that B1 mod is basically 101 dot 101. So after taking the dot, it means 1 dotted to 1 result 1, 0 dotted to 0 result 0, 1 dotted to 1 result 1. So 1 plus 1, the result is 2. So B1 square equals to 2, so B1 equals to root over 2. So alpha 1 equals to B1 by mod B, so it is 101 divided by root 2. So it is 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, 0, 1 by root 2. So the first basis for alpha 1 is created. Now here the number of B is 3, is B1, B2, B3. So only 3 alpha can be created, alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3. So the number of basis must be equals to the number of that created basis or that evaluated basis. So therefore that alpha 2 equals to gamma 2 by mod gamma 2. So what is the formula of gamma 2? Gamma 2 means B2 minus B2 dot alpha 1 alpha 1. Here that B2 dot alpha 1, how to calculate this? That alpha 1 equals to 1 by root 2, 0, 1 by root 2, and B2 is 1 0 minus 1. So if you are multiplying this 1 0 minus 1 and 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, 0, 1 by root 2, so finally the answer will be coming as x multiplied with x, y multiplied with y, so 1 by root 2, 0 minus 1 by root 2. So finally the value is coming as 1 by root 2, 0, 1 by root 2. So that is B2 alpha 1. Okay, so here B2 alpha 1, that particular value is, if you are taking in this way, so that B2 alpha 1 is finding out to be a 0. So therefore that final value is gamma 2. So what is the value of gamma 2? You can calculate it out right there. So here you can see that if you are adding them up in this particular pattern, so this particular value is basically 0, because it is 1 by root 2 and that is minus 1 by root 2. So this answer is 0. So finally that 1 0 1, so what is the gamma 2? Finally gamma 2 is basically this value of B2. So where B2 is 101, so gamma 2 mod equals to root over 2. So the final answer is 1 0 minus 1. This part is 0, so it is finally this is. Okay, so that is the expression for alpha 2. You have calculated out. Now what is the value of alpha 3? The value of alpha 3 here, it is gamma 3 by mod gamma 3. So mod gamma 3, how could you calculate that? B3 minus B3 alpha 1 minus B3 alpha 2. In this way it will be going up to the last. So that is B3 alpha 1 is basically, you can again calculate the value of B3 is given, alpha 1 is known to you. Just multiply this 0 3 4 with that multiplication of 1 by root 2 0 1 by root 2. So the final answer is 2 root 2. If you are calculating that B3 alpha 2, that is minus 2 root 2, so just put this value accordingly. So gamma 3 equals to 0 3 4 minus 2 root 2 into this 1 by root 2 0 1 by root 2 plus 2 root 2 into 1 by root 2 0 minus 1 by root 2. So if you are calculating in this way, so gamma 3 will be 0 3 0. So gamma 3 equals to here. So the gamma 3 square is basically 3 cross 3, so 9. So gamma 3 equals to 3 plus minus. So obviously alpha 3 equals to 0 3 0 divided by 3. So the answer is 0 1 0. So finally the answer for alpha 1, alpha 2 and alpha 3 can be given as alpha 1 equals to 1 by root 2 0 1 by root 2, alpha 2 is 1 by root 2 0 minus 1 by root 2, and alpha 3 is 0 1 0. So these three are the answers or the given OB that can be calculated for that given bias B1, B2, B3. Here the number of bias is 3, so therefore the OB is also 3. And finally, what is the OB you can calculate out from alpha 1, alpha 2 and alpha 3. We can easily give out from them. So that's all for this today's class. In the next class, we'll giving much more things on that particular signal transmission constellation theory. So thank you very much for attending this class, and this particular problem you should take care of in that next class. I will give much more benefit, much more ideas of the mathematical problem. So thank you very much for this today's class. See you all are next in my next class. Thank you very much.